Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Well, I started mowing again, but with a different mower. Just pick up this John Deere today. And an X350. And I've already cut what I cut before to get it down lower. And here's how tall it is, where it grew from when the last mower broke. And I still have that section there that's been growing, hasn't been mowed for a while. So we're gonna mow this down, and then we're gonna turn around and lower the deck and mow real low. We're shooting at the side right now. We do have the mulch kit on this. So when I re-mow this lower, we will mulch it and see how well it does. So right now I'm set at level 3. I tried lower level over there, and it's real low. We'll see what happens after I get this section, how low it will go when I cross mow it. This is where the crapping broke down, so got a total better mower here, tighter turns. Of course, it's got new blades on it, so it cuts really well. It's got a lot more power than the other one. There's a Kawasaki engine. Anyway, so far so good. Right now we're going back over the top of where we cut it. Trying to cut this longer stuff. The way it doesn't clog up the mower deck, but we try to mulch it. We have to take a few passes over this real thick stuff here. This is that chokeweed. It really makes a mess. We're moving it from one place to another, so I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Well, it's not looking too bad. A little bit of grass here and there, still in chunks. This works really well. I'm just there's a few things I don't like about this. Is the brake is up here. And it kind of makes it difficult when you're used to having the brake on this side. This is the mower deck level. It raises and lowers the deck. Well, here's the adjustment for the deck, but once you have it set, it'll lower it down to that point. So I keep hitting that, raising the deck instead of hitting the brake. This is a little confusing after years on that John Deere tractor, and then plus the other mower. So I think that's my biggest complaint on this, is they should have put the brake on the other side. Also, if you just hit the reverse pedal just barely, it kills the blades. I've hit it with my foot, not even pressing down, just hit it, and it kicks the blades off. I don't like that. You can back up as long as you push the button when the blades are gone. You got to get used to that. The other Craftsman was bypassed, so which was very nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to mulch. And I've never did this before. Apparently there's a lever right here. Shuts a little door. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Move that lever right there. It's closed. It's open. That's for the mulch. So you can see the door right there. You need two hands to yep, they're open and shut. It's closed there. So now mulching blades will work and it won't shoot out the side. So we'll see how that works. A lower level going back over the top of this. Got to get it low so we can find the holes where the Christmas trees were, so we can fill them up with dirt and get those growing before we have a wedding on this lawn. There it is, 2.2 hours on the new mower. Well, I did drop it down. Had to bring it back up. That way I wasn't leaving too much. There's just too much grass from before that we cut that it was too hard to mulch it. So what I'll do is go ahead and probably water this, and then I'll come back and remow it again at a little bit lower level and see if I can't find all those holes that are out there. Anyway, so what we're doing today, hope your day is as good as mine. Thanks for watching.